Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have, thanks to Infinity of Nashua, which I'm here, we have the 2022 Ford F-150 King Ranch. This is the 3.5 Ecoboost, not the Power Boost, so not the hybrid. But this is actually one of my dream trucks. I almost bought a 5-liter Coyote King Ranch. I really love the trucks, and this spec is absolutely gorgeous. So long story short, I have a lot of things going on in my personal life, and I really just took a break from YouTube. Also, you have a button to extend the power running board right there. So I took a break from YouTube in order to try to make things work with one certain person, and I started to change who I was individually, but long story short, I'm back to being who I was, and I'm trying to take names and kick you know what. So awesome. Let's get back into the video. Sorry about that. So obviously I have this set up, so I'm not going to drop this, but you do have little spots to put tie downs for cutting lumber. King Ranch on the back, aftermarket LED lights down below, FX4 package, very highly equipped. Just absolutely gorgeous truck. And if you look, there's a bunch of little Easter eggs hidden throughout this truck. One example is the American flag sat right here. That is your switch for the lights. Power pedals, definitely pretty cool. Love the King Ranch seat. Let's see. Oh yeah, so you can adjust that. Bang & Olufsen sound system, speakers in here. King Ranch logo established 1853. King Ranch here. Bang & Olufsen sound system, like I said. Do have panoramic roof. Lift that up, and you've got storage under here. Where is the thing to put? There it is. Perfect. Cup holders. Take a look under the hood real quick at that twin turbo V6. Very cool. Do have auto parking. It's all set up there. You can navigate to parking, all that fun stuff. Gonna try to minimize the noise. Do have obviously nav, Sirius XM, all your features here. So like record feedback.
Record any likes, dislikes, or suggestions about the experiences with your vehicle, and then select send.
You can record a review and send it to what? That I can only imagine how many voice messages they have gotten on the road absolutely cursing them out for some little feature that somebody can't figure out, and that I would pay very good money to listen to some of those recordings. That is pretty cool. Sunglasses holder sat up there, garage door, all that fun stuff. Drive modes, you got a ton of them. Switch takes a little bit, so I'm trying to figure out how the switch works. Some of the Fords, they're a little odd. All right, rock crawl, mud ruts, steep snow sand, slippery, normal, tow haul, eco, sport. We're gonna be in sport. Oh, another little feature. You drop the shifter like so, open that up, it's a work area. Can't do that while you're driving. I know the jokes, I've read the memes. I'm not gonna say them. There's a certain name for that mode, but you can't do it while you're driving, so unfortunately, it doesn't count. Spent a good amount of time in this truck since we've had it. I love this truck. Absolutely love it. Loved the King Ranch trucks for a very long time. And this is just a beautiful example. We've actually had a lot of interest on it. Oh, so much torque. And this isn't even the power boost with over 500 foot-pounds of torque. This does still have Pro Charge on board, or Pro Generator on board, Pro Power on board. So you can power a house with this thing, which is, yeah, this F-150 is more powerful enough to charge a house, or power a house, which, you know, it's just bragging rights. I mean, come on, that is a ton of power. Sport mode, actually pretty aggressive transmission tuning when you start pushing the limits on it. I'm actually pretty surprised. Come on over, Maine. Come on, you got it. Do that while you're driving? You can, but it's only certain views. Seems like just to make sure your trailer's still attached, which, you know, is somewhat important. Brake pedal feel is good. Love the driving position. I really love everything about this truck. Sound system is very good. Just everything about this truck is just nice. Wall outlet there, 12 volt. Was that a Prius squealing the tires? I don't think I've ever heard that in my life. done that a time or two. Let's see how it is in cornering. That's pretty impressive for a big heavy truck like that. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think I have a green light, yeah. All in all, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.